We got a Colorado Amber Alert, folks.
This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Denver. The Denver Police Department is searching for 2-year-old Jaleel Jones. Jones was in a black Kia Colorado plate BELLZ92 when it was stolen by a white male early 30s with a shaved head. The vehicle has damage to the side door and tape on the rear hatch. If you have information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.